Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Affirm virtual card. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So it's actually pretty easy and a very handy thing if you have a Affirm virtual card. So as long as a card payment is accepted in store or in that virtual store, then you'll be able to use your Affirm virtual card. Now, to get you started, it's actually pretty simple. So if you're in a store or online store, you want to first get your items and proceed to checkout. Now from there, the payment method that you want to choose is either credit card or card payment. Then from there, you just need to enter your 16-digit card number and your billing address and other information if needed by, only necessary details. Then from then on, you just need to complete your checkout and you're good. So it's actually pretty easy and really fast. It works like any card that you have at home. So if you want to use this in Apple Pay, you first have to add this into your Apple Pay, and from then on you could use Apple Pay to check out through your virtual card. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.